Number 6.5. Prove by vector method sin alpha minus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. For this question, diagram is compulsory. So let me draw x-axis and let me draw y-axis. Let me mark this is y and this is x. Now let me mark 2 points. The 2 points, let me name it as A and B. So let me mark the A here and B somewhere this side. This is our origin. So let me join OA. It makes an angle alpha, and next is our OB. It makes an angle beta. So angle between A and B is alpha minus beta. This is alpha, this is beta. So A and B angle between A and B is alpha minus beta. Also we have to draw a line perpendicular to x-axis. Let me name it as L. Similarly from B, let me draw a line perpendicular to x-axis. Let me name it as B. We know along x-axis we are having I vector. Along y-axis we are having j vector. Now let us write few lines of introduction. What are the things we have to write is, let OA is equal to A vector, OB is equal to B vector. Next, A and B are unit vectors. A and B are unit vectors. That word is very important. That means their magnitude is 1. Draw AL and BM perpendicular to x-axis. Next, what we have to write is angle AOL is equal to alpha, angle BOM is equal to beta. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to alpha minus beta. Now with this we have to start writing. First let me write OA vector. How to split OA vector? O is the starting, A is the ending. So OA I can write it as OL plus LA. So OL vector plus LA vector. Instead of OA, let me write A vector, because OA is equal to A vector. OL, it is adjacent side of the angle alpha. So I have to write cos alpha. It is along x-axis. So I have to write cos alpha I vector. Now LA, it is opposite side of alpha. So I have to write sin alpha, and it is along y-axis. So I have to write j vector. Now let me name this as equation number 1. Similarly, we have to split OB vector. How to split OB vector? The diagram if you see you can understand. O should be the starting, B should be the ending. So OB can be written as OM plus MB. OM vector plus MB vector. Now OB I can write it as B vector. OM, it is adjacent side of beta angle. So I should write cos beta I vector. MB, it is opposite side of the angle beta. So I have to write sin beta j vector, because it is along y-axis. Let me name it as equation number 2. Now let me do B cross A. So B cross A means we have to put determinant simple. First row I have to write it as I vector, j vector and k vector. I vector numbers are for B cos beta, sin beta, there is no k, so 0. For A vector the I number is cos alpha, sin alpha, and the k vector is 0. Now let us do the cross product. I number if I do, everything is 0. J number if I do, everything is 0. So k, when I have to do, I have to cover this particular column, this row. Now multiply in this direction, I will have sin alpha cos beta. We are multiplying in this direction, so sin alpha cos beta. Always after multiplying in this direction, we have to change the sign and put. When I multiply, actually I'll get cos alpha sin beta, but when I write, I should write minus cos alpha sin beta. Let me name this as the equation number 3. Now let me use the definition of B cross A. B cross A, the definition is magnitude of B, magnitude of A, angle between B and A. You can see the angle between B and A is nothing but alpha minus beta. So I can write this as sin alpha minus beta. Also the unit vector which is perpendicular to this both, that is k vector. But we know magnitude of B is 1, magnitude of A is 1. So I will have sin alpha minus beta k vector. This is our equation number 4. Actually 3 and 4 are equal. Why they are equal is both are giving you the value of B cross A. So both are giving the value of B cross A, means they are equal. Now when I equate in this equation 3 and in this equation 4, I can cancel this k vector. Here also k vector is there, here also k vector is there. So let me cancel. Then the remaining is your answer. So what is our answer is sin alpha minus beta is equal to, this I am writing sin alpha minus beta is equal to, right hand side what I should write, sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. So we have proved the formula.